To start off, credit to our finishers in our betting department. They probably set up a competitive score for us. Then when we came to bowl, perfect first over from Lungi. I just think like you're gaining so much energy if someone bowls a first over like that, and then I followed up and we just kept going. I must say credit to Gideon as well. I think that spell he bowled there through the middle was unbelievable. It probably broke the game open for us. The nice thing is we have momentum on our side, so going forward now, if we can get those 10%ers right, I'm sure we're going to be a tough team to beat. Yeah. Fielding plays such a big part in T20 cricket, and where the batting side can feel like these guys are on top of us. So our fielding for the last 3 games from Durban, Paarl, and now this game has been, it's really been at the standard that I don't see people operate often. So credit to our fielding. Without the fans, the cricket will be pretty boring. So I know it's the last day probably for the school kids that they could have come to watch. So credit to the parents for bringing the kids. If possible, we have another last home game on Thursday. Please come out. I know it's the first week of school, but I'm sure your kids can still take one late night. But thank you guys for coming.